Pussy, what's the dealio, pussy?
How's it going? What's your name again?
You know me, man. I'm your main man, man.
Oh,
Hot diggity.
no.
Dog. Hot diggity dog. How you gonna forgive me, pussy?
I remember. You're that, hot dog guy.
That's what I'm talking about, pussy. I knew he was tight. We cousins.
I'm pretty sure we never...
Yo, you coming to the cookout? You know they gonna be some scrape freaks up in there, man. My boy Crony Mo coming to the cookout. I'm talking fly hamburger.
What the hell are you talking about?
Alright, cool. Catch you on the flip-flop then.
So I'm like, screw this. So I pull my pants up and walk away.
For shame, Mr. Cottonbottom. For shame. Good story, though. Excellence in narrative form.
Mr. Cottonbottom? Mr. Hamburger?
Hamburglet, Mr. Stankwater. Hamburglet. My psychic abilities tell me that you are coming to yon big family picnic. The big family hoo-ha. I'm gonna be cooking it up. Cooking it up. You could wear a top hat if you like.
Well, I suppose it would be nice to get away for a while.
You're not thinking of leaving the wife home alone, are you, Stinkwater?
She's gonna nag my head off.
You will wear a top hat, won't you? I mustn't be alone in my top hattiness.
She still think you're cheating on her?
It doesn't even make sense. It's not like I'm sitting on her shoulders to see some other chick's answers.
You should wear a top hat so she'll know how fancy you've become. Fancy kitties do not cheat upon their fishwives. I know this to be a fact.
Sir, you are a nasty bald-headed sandwich. You have sesame seed liver spots. Your top lip is a slice of cheese. Your bottom lip is a meat patty. Your tongue consists of 2 overlapping pickles. And you leave a trail of ketchup and mustard everywhere you go. Do not talk to me about fancy. You know nothing about fancy.
You're forgetting one important detail, Douglas.
And that is?
I have a glazy eye.